Oh, welcome back, friends. Good to see you. Today is day 6 of our challenge, the 30-day green living challenge, and we're almost through an entire week. You're doing great. Hope you're finding that all these challenges are fairly easy. Today we're going to talk about what's under your sink or in your laundry room or wherever you keep your cleaning products. A lot of times we don't realize what we're using to clean our house, the chemicals that we're putting into the environment that we spend a lot of time in. If you read the labels on some of these, you can't even pronounce a lot of the words, the ingredients. So my challenge for today is for you to check out your cleaning products. Clean out under your kitchen sink, your bathroom sink, your laundry room, wherever you keep them, and look at the products, read the labels, and see how many words, how many ingredients are on there that you can't even pronounce or you don't understand what they are, where they came from. And take those products, dispose of them in an environmentally friendly way. How do you do that? Well, there's a lot of towns, villages, counties, communities, they have hazardous waste pickup, and that's basically what these chemicals are. They're hazardous waste. So dispose of them properly and replace them with environmentally friendly cleaning products. Now you can go out and you can buy environmentally friendly cleaning products. This is Green Shield Organic Glass Cleaner here. Bought this a long time ago. That's not what's in here right now, but just one of the products that you could buy that's environmentally friendly. There's 7th Generation, Greenworks. A lot of companies are now making products that are biodegradable and will not harm the environment when they get into the environment. You clean your countertop, you clean your bathrooms, all the chemicals are getting in the water when you rinse out your rag, your cleaning rag, and they are getting into the waterways. We talked earlier, day 1, about how water is life. So we want to keep our waterways clean. We want to keep them free from chemicals, from plastics, so we want to make sure that the cleaning products, and read the label on them, just because they have a pretty picture of some field full of flowers doesn't mean they're environmentally friendly. Read the label, make sure that the products you're buying are environmentally friendly. Or you can do like I do. My wife and I, several years ago, we got rid of all those chemical-laden chemicals cleaning products in our house. And we switched over to vinegar, universal cleaning. It even says on here, cleaning. So you can use this for cooking, a lot of different things, but we use ours for cleaning as well. For the hard cleaning jobs, toilet bowls, where there's a lot of maybe grease buildup, a lot of dirt on something, use this straight. You can even use baking soda as well with it. So that'll take care of the heavy duty jobs. For like cleaning windows, what's in here right now is just about a quarter vinegar, 3/4 of this is water, and then we added a little bit of lemon juice. You can also add, if you want some fragrance to your cleaning products, you can add essential oils. One of my favorites is lavender to add. And here is a 50-50 mix. I just purchased this bottle, plastic bottles. You can get them at a lot of different places, fairly inexpensive. I always label ours. It says vinegar right on here, just so I know it's not plain water. I don't want to be spraying this on my hair or anything. But I make sure I label them. This is half and half water, half vinegar. And this is just an all-around cleaner for cleaning countertops, for cleaning the sink. You can use this on windows too. It does a great job. Another thing I want to mention is what you clean with. Don't use paper towels. I do have paper towels in the house. I buy Full Circle paper towels only because they're made from 100% recyclable paper. So no trees were cut down for them. But if you're not using recycled paper towels, then you're contributing to forest loss. You're cutting down trees to do it, to make that paper, to make the paper towels. So I avoid paper towels whenever possible, and I use cleaning rags. After I use these one time cleaning the house, they go in the laundry. We'll talk about environmentally friendly laundry on another day, but I use these. Big thing I see on TV all the time, ads for Swiffer. They really have become popular because they're convenient. You just, wash things with them and then throw them away. Filling up landfills. Takes a long time for those to biodegrade, to break down. So I really strongly want you to give up the Swiffer. Use vinegar rags for cleaning. That's your challenge for today, day 6. Switch out all your chemical cleaning products for environmentally friendly cleaning products. If you don't want to make your own like I do, like I said, there's a lot of products you can buy. You can buy in the store. So good luck. Have a great day. I know you were waiting for Xander to appear in this video, but he's out causing trouble somewhere exploring. So we'll see you tomorrow.